For the next step in our hall reno, we need to add mortar to our thin bricks. You'll want to start out with water already in the bucket, and then you'll add mortar mix type S. The first time you add some mortar, you're going to mix it and it's still going to be runny like soup. This lets you know it's not quite right, but you're letting the water already soak into the sand, so everything is really thoroughly mixed. Keep adding the mortar until it's thicker. We added a little bit at a time, but once you see that the sand is no longer sinking, you're probably getting close. Look, cake batter. Next, you're going to put the mortar into a masonry bag. It's a lot like if you were going to be decorating a cake. That's what the bag looks like. Don't overfill the bag or it'll be way too hard to lift and to work with. As you put the nose of the bag to the bricks, you're going to start twisting in the back of the bag and then squeezing the front of the bag. Be prepared to work your forearm muscles and your grip muscles. You're going to want to go slow and you're going to want to fill the cracks as thick as the bricks themselves, because you're eventually going to tool them down and make it flatter, and you want material to work with. This is a brick jointer. It is what's going to smooth all your lines. If you don't like this look, you could certainly leave the mortar alone. This is not an easy job. My arms and my neck hurt so bad by the end of the 2 days this took. Once the mortar dries, this is how light it will end up drying, and this is the finished product with the old mill bricks. Follow me for what's next.